Welcome back to the railroad, everyone. Welcome back to the railroad, everyone. Today we're going to be straightening out our tools. There's another YouTuber that does great things with his tool shop and everything. We're going to try and put together some tool storage that is easily accessible and shows you everything you need. Let's get to it. Okay, we have tools in the house and they are not in order too well. So I'm going to take a little bit from Adam Savage and try to build some tool racks, something accessible and visible. Okay, this is what I'd like to have on one rack. Not everything has to be on that rack. Like, I don't need these. These are normally out in the garage because I have these. Okay, this will be it for the build that I want today. I want to have all these on one rack, and then we'll get into the screwdriver. Okay, let's go to it. Okay, I think I have a plan to start with. First off, these are the brackets. I've got two wall brackets mounted already in the room. They're 22 inches apart, and I have 27 inches that I can use to set tools on. So, if I use these, I can bring that right out to the end, and that will make a nice gap in here. What I'll do is set tools like as such. Some of them I'll drop in, but we'll figure that out. And then yeah, I could stagger them even. I could have them like this so that they take up a little less room. And then maybe even with the few tools I've got, I might even have room for future expansion, depending on what I need in there. Plus, I'm going to have screwdrivers too. And I'll just do holes and drop them in, so I'll be able to see what the screwdrivers are down below and grab the right size and length. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so what we ended up with was I'm going to have a back filler there. I can do something with that space later. And actually these are a little long. I might trade them out later for these, but we'll see. Okay, so I'll start with the screwdrivers. So we have Phillips down on the bottom and straight in the middle, and then small screwdrivers on top. So straight, Phillips, small, water pump pliers back there, pliers. I have 3 scissors and strippers, and then we have our small wrenches, our small cutters and nippers and pliers, needle nose pliers. Okay, and I do have a couple of extra spaces because I have more tools. I just have to dig them out
of every place else. So thank you, Adam Savage, for your assistance on this. I love watching your projects. Let's go see some trains run.
Well, I hope you all enjoyed that. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. We'll see you down the rails, and God bless.